Okay, so in this problem, we're going to be finding a cost function. I have to remember to talk louder on these videos. Okay, suppose Ben starts a company in which he incurs a fixed cost of $1,250 per month for the overhead, which includes his office rent. Okay, so every month he's got to pay $1,250 no matter what. His production costs are $37.5 dollars, $37.50 per item. So for every item he's making, it costs him $37.50 for the materials, the labor, or whatever he needs to make the item. Write a linear function C, where C of x is the cost for x items produced in a given month. So this is called a cost function. We're trying to figure out how much it's going to cost for so many items to be made in the month. So whenever you have a cost function, it's going to equal the fixed costs plus the cost per item. And we'll show you, that's just to give you an idea. So C of x is equal to the fixed cost. Now we know those. It costs him $12.50 in the fixed costs plus, and then there's kind of this variable here. It's dependent, that $37.50 is dependent on how many items he's making. Maybe he's going to make 100 items. Maybe he's going to make 1,000 items. Well, that's going to, cost more to make 1,000 items than 100 items, right? Okay, but it's $37.50 per item. What does X represent? The items that he's producing. So it's going to be 37.5. You can put the 0 for math. It's, the same thing, but you might want to put it there just so it's in dollars and cents. And that is the cost function. You've got your fixed costs and then this cost per item idea. Now, you might say, well, I don't really like it written that way. I want to write it this way, where I have the X term first and then the constant. And that's fine. It doesn't matter. Either one's fine. Remember, he's going to be paying that $12.50 even if he doesn't make any items. So that's the fixed costs. Okay, so either this one, I think that's how they have it in the book, but this one's fine too. You might prefer that. Okay, cost function.